But if you let it, yeah. Right. So can you do it on the LED?
On top, but not quite hitting. Water is heavier than air, so buoyancy.
This is neutral.
Yeah, you are at neutral.
Have any more questions about how this robot works?
It was Washington, Hawaii, then
And then blue and green, do you guys want to lift it? And you aim it towards the landfill. A little bit more.
Highway, I'm I-5. What if there's an earthquake? It just helps you. You guys are already engineers. Can I get some high fives? Oh, you guys knew better high fives than that. Come on, come on, come on. This one is more I like the waiting our turn. Girl. Nice!